What's up, guys? Thank you very much for tuning in. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that so you can see what's in the shop every Wednesday. We'll start behind me. We've got a Hyundai Sonata. This one's getting paint protection film on one fender in the front bumper. We did it originally, so I assume it was in an accident or something. It's getting replaced. Over here on the jack is a ZL1 Camaro, brand new. And Jimmy's putting a wheel back on it right now. So this car got a full paint protection wrap with 10 mil. Then the car got coated. That's what he's finishing up now with the wheels. We also tinted the windows on this. And Max is removing some film off of a very cool car. This is a 2011 GT3 RS. So the 997 GT3 RS is a super rare Porsche. Highly sought after. This particular example only has about 2,000 miles on it. Car had some paint protection in some select areas where we will be removing that, as well as all the factory decals. We're going to polish the whole car, and then we're going to wrap the whole thing in 8mm XPEL. Then we're going to ceramic coat it eventually after the new decals come in. The decals are going to go back on, and we're also going to tint all the way around with XPEL XR 70%. So lots of stuff going on with this GT3 over the next week or two. Back there in the wash bay is an F-150. That truck got paint protection on the whole front end yesterday. We'd like to do a courtesy cleanup, so that's what Caleb is working on right now. And the other Caleb is working on a ceramic coating on this Denali. This thing needed lots of paint correction and polishing work. That is now done. It's time to coat it. He's starting with the wheels. We've got a cool car on the lift Aaron's been working on. This is a GV80 Genesis, and it's a factory satin white. So it's important to protect a factory satin finish, especially white. Staining would be a major problem for this thing. So we're wrapping the whole vehicle in stealth. This is a special edition. The interior is pretty cool. How many did he say there were of these? 300. 300 of these. It's got a navy blue and tan interior. If you would take the Genesis badge off of this steering wheel and sit in it, you'd swear it was a Bentley. It's pretty crazy. Has soft close. It's a nice touch. G-Wagons don't have soft close. We like to point that out. Outside, we've got some fun cars. This one, is this a California special?
Yes.
Is that what's going on? Is it? Okay, cool. This one's just here for window tint. He just picked up his M5, the blue one from last week. It got a full 10 mil wrap coating window tint. Dropped this off. We have a C8 Corvette. This one got paint protection on the whole front end, as well as the full doors and the rockers and window tint, and it's getting ceramic coated next. So you'll see some pieces of tape on that. That's our way of saying, hey, these are spots that we see that need touched up before it gets coated. You guys have seen the C4 for a couple of weeks now. This one's ready to go home. The owner decided to extend his vacation because why wouldn't you extend your vacation? So it's going home soon. Down here's a Dodge Charger GT, an F8 green. We did XPEL on the whole front. Hood, fenders, mirrors, bumper, as well as the trunk ledge and the wear and tear kit. So this one's pretty much ready to go home. Just gonna get a quick wash. We've got some tractor pieces. These are getting ceramic coated. And then a fun project here. This is a Ford Raptor, new body style. This belongs to a Steeler, and it was here last week. Just we're getting started on it. It got a full XPEL stealth wrap. So to do that right, a lot of pieces have to come off of the truck. We wrapped all of the marker lights with a tinted film. So tinted all the markers, tinted the tail lights in the center section, ceramic coated the truck, tinted it all the way around, including full windshield and sunroof. And I think that covers it. So just about everything that we do got done on this truck, and it looks awesome. So that's all that's happening in Latrobe this week. Let's check out Pittsburgh and Miami.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so let's take a tour through our Gibsonia shop. Here we have a 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is in a couple weeks ago for a full front clip paint protection film, and it's now back in the shop for its 2-week PPF checkup. Here we have a 2021 GLE 350. This is in for some paint protection film, window tint, and ceramic coating. We did the PPF on the partial hood, the full bumper, and the wear and tear. It also got our XPEL Prime XR Plus 70% tint on all the side windows, the back window, and the sunroof, topped off with an XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Our full wrap of the week is this 2021 BMW X5. This is getting our XPEL Stealth Paint Protection Film Wrap on all painted areas. It also got the 2 front windows tinted in our XPEL Prime XR 20% tint to match the factory tinted back windows. Once that is all complete, we'll be coating the entire vehicle in XPEL Fusion Plus. Outside, we have a 2017 Range Rover Evoque. This is getting the 2 front windows done in our Prime XR 20% to match the factory tinted back section. Here we have a 2021 BMW X3M. This is getting the back bumper done in our XPEL paint protection film. They currently have a luggage kit on the vehicle, but they have 2 large Bernese Mountain Dogs, and that is just not enough to protect the back bumper from their claws when they get in and out of the back hatch. So we're doing the entire blue and black portion of the back bumper in our XPEL paint protection film. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Well, it's our favorite time of the week again, so let's see what we have going on in the shop this week. All right, so back here we have a couple things going on. This is a brand new 2022 Tesla Model 3 Performance. We're just finishing up some of the window tint on it. It got XR plus 20% the whole way around, and then it's getting 55 on the windshield. We're also doing our XPEL track pack on here, which includes the full front end as well as the rocker panels. And then once that is all completed, it's going to be getting the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating over all of the exterior surfaces to keep it nice and shiny and protected. And then over here we have a 2022 F-150 Limited. This one came in for the XPEL XR 20% on the front windows to match the back. And we also did the XPEL full front clip on this truck as well. So we did the full hood, the side mirrors, the front fenders, headlights, fog lights, and then the full front bumper as well. So this one is just all touched up. Whenever we can play some musical cars here, it's ready to go outside and sit outside in the sun for a little bit. And then we're gonna get the truck hand washed and then get it ready for delivery tomorrow morning. But it's looking good. And then you might remember this Lexus from last week. We're finally working on it. This is getting the full XPEL paint protection film wrap, so every single painted surface on this is getting done, as well as the headlights and the tail lights and the reflector lights on the back as well. Basically any surface that we can wrap, it is getting wrapped. And then I'm sure you haven't forgotten about the Nissan Z. This one is just about done with the XPEL paint protection film wrap. This vehicle, there are 0 XPEL patterns for it, so everything had to be a full bulk installation. So we did everything custom. So we even did the tail lights in the rear area back here, part of the diffuser, and then all of the other exterior surfaces on this as well. So it definitely looks much, much better. So we are finishing up doing some touch-ups on it, and then we're gonna lay down the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating over all of the exterior surfaces. And then we went ahead and already tinted the vehicle. We did the XR Plus 70 on the windshield, then 35% on the side windows and the rear window. All right, so that's all that we have going on down here in Miami this week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and let us know how we're doing. And yeah, we'll see you guys next week.